Mr. Waters is a Libertarian candidate seeking election to the U.S. Senate from the Commonwealth of Virginia. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Matt Waters.
Go, Matt!
Well, it was really good being here. I'm a first-time candidate. I want to point out to shout out my wife Annie, my daughter Ellie, and Annabelle over there. Thanks for coming to your live. Alexander, Virginia. Pastor Brian opened, and I'm a Southern Baptist as well, so I thought about this yesterday. Why do we do this? And in Philippians 2:4, it says, "Let each of you look not only to his own interest, but also the interests of others." And that's why all of us are running for office, in fact. We have disagreements. I disagree vehemently with some of the things that Senator Kaine just said. The question is, how do we pay for it? How do we pay for it?
Darn right.
Medicare. Right now, the difference is money. I'm making an economic lesson. Money is at the soul of my campaign. Money equals freedom. If we give more of our money to Washington, we have less of our own money. Right now, the average taxpayer works from January 1st to April 18th to pay the federal, state, and local taxes that's going to groceries, clothing, and housing combined. Wait till you get free health care. Wait till you get free education and a free federal job. We will be working until August to pay the federal, state, and local taxes. We have to end it. We don't have the money. We're broke. We can't continue to kick the can down the road on entitlements. Social Security, bankrupt in 2035. Medicare, bankrupt in 2029. Medicaid, bankrupt in 2028. And we keep putting more people on, expecting it to work. It doesn't work. The private sector works. That's why we're here. We believe we want you to keep more of your own hard labor, your money. Keep it in your pocket. You can do better with it than Washington can. Right now, we have a $21 trillion debt. We're adding $1 million a minute to the debt. That is irresponsible. That's irresponsible. It's madness. And you know what we're doing? We're kicking the can down the road to the children and grandchildren in this room to deal with it. It's irresponsible. So, my plan is to cut federal spending across the board. And everything's up. Everything's on the table. Our military budget is at $700 billion, bigger than China, Russia, Saudi Arabia, the UK, France, and Saudi Arabia combined. We have a very big military budget. We're overextended. We need to bring the troops home, in my opinion.
Yeah, I agree with that.
The criminal justice system. Whites commit as many crimes as blacks and Hispanics. What? Blacks and Hispanics are going to jail at twice the rate of whites. It's unjust. We need to correct the criminal justice system.
There's hot water.
On the Second Amendment, I have it on my hip. The First Amendment, freedom of religion, every single day I look at it. I believe in it. I believe in this country. I believe in America. And I believe that when the colonists came here in Jamestown in 1607, they set up an independent colony. They set up an independent colony to be free from the tyranny of a state government in Europe. In about 177 years, George Washington presided over the surrender of the British troops at Yorktown. Just 177 years later, a few miles up the road. Virginians know what liberty is about. And right now, I believe we are in danger of losing our liberties. So thank you so much for having me. I encourage you to check out mattwaters.com. I want you and us to restore our liberty now. It can be done. Thank you so much. mattwaters.com. Love to chat with you after getting that. God bless.